Have you ever watched a mouth-watering cooking video online and wished you had the recipe at your fingertips? Well, prepare to have your taste buds tantalized and your cooking dreams come true. Welcome to Video2Recipe, the revolutionary tool that transforms your favorite cooking videos into easy-to-follow recipes. Say goodbye to rewinding and pausing those videos repeatedly, because with Video2Recipe, you can convert any cooking video into a recipe in just a few simple steps. Here's how it works. Simply find that amazing cooking video you can't resist, copy its URL, and paste it into the Video2Recipe tool. Then, with a click of a button, the magic happens. Video2Recipe's advanced artificial intelligence analyzes the video, extracts every step, and compiles them into an easy-to-read recipe. No more guessing or trying to remember what you saw in that video. We've got you covered. The possibilities are endless. Imagine sharing your favorite recipes with your friends and family, or even creating your very own recipe book filled with culinary delights inspired by the incredible cooking videos you love.Video2Recipe makes it all possible. And the best part? Video2Recipe is completely free to use. That's right, you can generate as many recipes as you want without spending a penny. It's our way of spreading the joy of cooking and sharing the possibilities of AI. So why wait? Unleash your inner chef and turn those mouth-watering cooking videos into delectable recipes with Video2Recipe. Get started today and bring the flavors of your favorite cooking videos to your own kitchen. Happy cooking!
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.